He had just found a large amount of straw and firewood in the field, preparing to carry it home to use for cooking. However, little Johnny, acting maliciously, used a torch to set fire to the straw on top of the man's head. At that moment, the man still didn't realize that the straw on his head was already burning. He only felt warmth on his head and thought it was due to the hot weather, completely unaware of the thick black smoke rising. Since he was carrying the straw on his head, he didn't notice the fire. If he had looked up and seen the smoke, he would have immediately realized what was happening. He walked carefully along the edges of the field because, while carrying firewood, he couldn't walk in a straight line and might accidentally step on someone else's crops. That's why he took each step cautiously, fully focused on the ground, without noticing that the temperature on his head was rising. Ahead, James was still digging the ground. As the man carefully approached, James looked up to rest for a moment and saw the astonishing sight on top of the man's head. In a panic, he pointed at the man's head, but the man was slow to react and had no idea what James was trying to say. Only when James knocked over a pile of straw into the field did the man finally realize the seriousness of the situation. Fortunately, he managed to save some of the firewood.